Guys, hope you guys are well. Thank you for joining me again for another video. I'm quite in a hurry. I just wanted to talk about the Colourpop Makeup by Shayla collaboration, and I wanted to share my thoughts with you because this video is going to be like a voiceover, if I can do voiceover. But let me just say my thought first on this intro. So the palette looks like this, the Makeup by Shayla palette. I actually like the packaging, the black and the purple with a touch of rose gold on it. This is classy, very nice. Buy this if you're in the UK from Colourpop, but be aware you might pay custom. Yeah, let me just leave that there. So this palette looks like this. Very beautiful colors on the palette, mixture of matte and shimmer. I'm going to say that they only have like 5 shimmer on this palette, then 5 matte on this palette, then the rest are shimmer. I'm going to say that the shimmer color were not as pigmented as I thought. I have to wet the brush to get the pigment out. When I tried to use it dry, it wasn't really showing up like that, but I would say the matte colors are very beautiful. I actually love the matte colors right here. I love the matte colors. They are really nice. So I find them very easy to use. This palette is not a bad palette. For a beginner, I recommend this palette to you. And if you want to support Makeup by Shayla, you can actually get it. But I'm a big fan, guys. Let me just remove my hair from my mouth. I'm a big fan of the highlighter. The highlighter is beautiful. I bought the shade Booming and it's really nice, guys. This highlighter is popping. Yeah, my glow is glow. You know, any glow is glow. This highlighter is nice, and for the price, it's going to serve you for a very long time for the price. On the collection, I bought the lip gloss. This lip gloss is nice. I paired it on top of the Hilary on YouTube. She also collabed with Colourpop. I didn't get any of their collaboration, but I got one of their lipstick when I was buying the Shayla one. So that's what I'm wearing on my lip today. Everything I use will be on the video at the description bar. You don't even need to like Google it so much. Just click on the link. You get everything you need. So if you want to see how I created this look, you know what to do. Stay tuned for this video, guys. Okay, guys, the first thing I'm going to do is to moisturize my lip using a L'Oreal lip tint. Then I'm going to apply my facial serum to moisturize my face. Everything used will be linked at the description bar. I'll be using my face primer by Too Faced, the Too Faced Hangover primer, to just prime my face for the foundation. Then for foundation, I'll be using 2 foundation. One is by COVERGIRL. I'll just use that to color correct. I got this from TK Maxx the other day. I'll just use this to color correct my face before applying my face foundation. I'll be using this foundation from Too Faced, the Too Faced Peach Perfect Foundation. I'm just going to blend that all over my face. Review of this foundation is on my YouTube channel. I'll link it at the top of this video. And the shade I'm using is in Mahogany. Then I'm going to take my Colourpop concealers just to highlight my face. Then after I'm done applying that, I'll take my C15 concealer by Makeup Revolution. That I'll use that to contour my face. I'm just blending that out. Then I'll take my Retechnique sponge to blend out the highlighted part. So I'm going to take my SACHA BUTTERCUP setting powder. I'll just use that to bake my face and set the concealer in place. I'll just dust off the excess. Then I'll take my COVERGIRL Ebony bronzer on this Retechnique brush. This brush will be out very soon, and it's by Retechnique. Then I'm going to do my brows. For eyebrows, I use my MUA Rich Brown pencil. Fill it in with this brow product I got from TK Maxx. It's by COVERGIRL. Link will be at the description bar. Then I'll clean it up, clean the brows up with the concealer. Also going to use the concealer to prime my lid for the eyeshadow, then set it with the powder. Now I'm going to take the eyeshadow, the Shayla S Colourpop. I'm going to start with that brown color. I'm going to blend that on the crease to add the transition color. The colors were really pigmented. Then I'm going to take that orange to blend that on top of the brown color. I'm going to do an yellow eyes. These matte colors were really pigmented on this palette. I was quite impressed. And I'm going to take the dark brown. I'm going to blend that at the outermost corner of the eyes and the innermost corner of the eyes, just to darken the eyes a bit. Then I'll go back using a small brush. Then blend out the hash line using the transition color we used. Now I'm going to take the shimmer shade called Diva. I tried using it dry, it was not picking up, so I tried to wet the brush. Then I tried using my finger. The shimmer shade were not picking up that much, so you have to like try and work with it. Eyeliner. Name of everything used to be at the description bar. Then now I'm just going to apply black liner to my waterline. This liner is by Revolution. Then I'll just smoke out the under eyes using the transition color. I'm going to take my powder by BH Cosmetics to dust off the excess powder on my face, then set my face in place. And spray my face with the MAC Charge water. Now I'm going to apply my lashes by GWA. I'm going to line my lip with MAC Chestnut. Taking the Hilary S Colourpop lipstick, I'm going to apply that. It was too dark, then I applied the lipstick by tearing it at the center of the lip. Now I'm going to take the highlighter called Booming. I'm going to apply that. This was really soft on the skin, and for the formula is really nice for the price of the highlighter. Really nice highlighter, guys. I will recommend this highlighter. Then taking the Shayla lip gloss, I'm going to apply that on top of the lipstick. Very pretty color. Then apply mascara to the top and bottom lashes. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Yeah, I hope you guys like the makeup tutorial. My contacts, I will leave the name at the description bar if you're interested on the contact. And I just want to tell you guys, thank you so much for 12,000 on YouTube. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for everyone that have been with me from day one. You guys know you're my ride or die. Thank you so much, guys, for your support. And what else should I say? I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye, guys. Bye. Oh, baby, pour me water, holy water.